Hi guys, welcome back to another recipe, Vietnamese pate. That goes very well with banh mi. Let's do it. I have a half of a very large onion. I like onion, so you can do half if you like. Just chunk them up, just a good size, so they can be cooked quicker. What we're gonna do, we're gonna saute them with the liver. I'm using pork liver today, so well, that's a lot of onions. Set those aside. There's no science in these, just do these quick. This is a whole bowl of garlic. Peel them. That's about 10 to 12 that I'm gonna use. I like having a lot of garlic in this recipe because it's counter the smell of the liver, and I like a lot of onion because it gives me the sweetness and the moisture. I like it a little bit slurry so that I can spreadable, easily spread. That's about 10 to 12 cloves right there. You don't need to smash and chunk them or anything, just set them aside. This is about a pound, but I just cut off a little bit, this much. So it's about almost a pound for a different dish, or more like a soup the other day. So I'm going to just score this little fiber or skin connection tissue right here. This is pork liver. It's I don't really eat this a lot. I just sharpen my knife, so it's super sharp. So just going through and see if you can find those, because they can be a bit chewy. You can do this with chicken liver or any poultry liver. You can add ground pork, ground chicken to make it less livery because it's gonna be pretty liver intoxicated. It's like very strong. So I'm gonna score all that away, see if I can get all that out. I mean, if you still get stuck a little bit, it's not a big deal. No science in this one, because this is not, we're not gonna put this in your mouth. We're gonna make it into a paste. Cut it, and you don't even need to marinate this because it's going to be a paste. And if you don't have time to make it, here's your backup. If you can find this, I've seen it at Walmart, or you can use liver mush. It's a little bit grainier because it has corn flour in there. But you can use liverwurst. Oh, I love liverwurst. That is the closest to making this and this. So if you can find liverwurst, it'll be great. For some reason, my Walmart does not sell liverwurst. I haven't been able to find any of that around. So let's start heat up here, over here on high. While that is heating up, let's add a little oil. Let's kick them around a little bit to get a little bit of aroma from the garlic. Okay, so it smells really good now. Let's throw this baby in. Going in just a pinch of salt, half a teaspoon of sugar, or half a tablespoon of sugar, and half a tablespoon of chicken powder, and add me a tablespoon of soy sauce, and a whole lot of black pepper. Okay, turn down the heat, let it cook, and then toss in your onion, let that caramelize. It's a little dry right now, but when the onions kind of release the juiciness and caramelize, we're gonna stop cooking. Sometimes this is a lot of onion, but I love it. Just want a hint of liver and a lot of onions. It's just how I like it. You can cut the onion in half. It's about 90% cooked on the liver. Go ahead and turn off the heat. Let it sit here for a few minutes while you're getting your machine out. Okay. Give it some oil, get it going. Then push it down. Some of this. That is so liver. You can do this with chicken liver if you can find enough chicken liver. Add a couple of tablespoons of butter in here. This way when it's cooled down, it has some form to keep it in one piece. Very solidified, very soft. Pour it in a baking tray. I do not have anything at the bottom like butter or anything. Spread it out, and gonna bake it at 300 for about 20 minutes. Note, I did not add any additional butter on top. You can add additional butter on top before you stick it in there, or you can add now to have like a layer on top so that it's kind of keep, it's from drying out. I'm fine with it. It does not look dry out to me, and I think I have enough butter in there that in the liver I think I felt a little guilty. So that is it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe for future Vietnamese, Asian home cook, gardening, and more. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.